to Marble Run University. Today we will be playing the Marble Run Simulator. Follow me and I will show you how it is done. This is a magnetic whiteboard, just like the one that is in front of your classroom. Your job is to move the marble from here to here, using these magnetic tracks. So for instance, that was a bit too easy. Let's try something harder. This time I want you to move the marble from this corner to this corner in 19 to 21 seconds. Also, we're going to add numbers. Your team will need to submit a budget that you can use to purchase everything from tracks to marbles to extra magnets. These are specialized tracks that will have different costs. This means that your team will need to plan in advance. The cost of setting and running your marbles will be critical to your success. Give me 5, old buddy. Now let's see a second marble run. Wow, great job!